The expectations in the beginning from a lot of colleagues from here we go, another global training added to the many we had already. But this was more special as it really touched, I would say, the heart and soul of the people. They were at risk of losing maybe their job. Cheemia offered a platform where people could continue to do their job.
Koen, thank you so much for joining us.
You're welcome. Hi, Zara.
How has the pandemic affected your sales?
Sales have been hit quite hardly, as especially we are into a business where doctors needed to do procedures on patients. And during April, end of March, April and May, all these procedures came to a stop. So also no products were sold.
How did it affect your sales team?
There was a lot of insecurity regarding their role, their future, and people were sitting home.
What was your biggest concern at the time?
That the role as we were doing it would disappear forever. The whole healthcare environment was less and less open to pharmaceutical industry, and we thought COVID would be used as the perfect reason to stop engaging with each other.
Did you feel at the time that your sales team needed additional training?
Yeah, on the digital journey, we were not prepared. We were not prepared to communicate via email. We were even not prepared to do whole entire commercial conversations or even medical conversations via phone.
What kind of options did you explore?
We had, of course, Microsoft Teams. We also looked at what can we do with WhatsApp, what can we do with FaceTime, things that, social media. But the quick win for us was organizing video calls professionally. And because, at least for compliance reasons, we wanted to keep track of everything we share with customers and at least capture everything that they fed back to us.
You actually piloted ReSET first, didn't you?
We tried it in 4 countries. We really piloted it in a smaller group to at least have the necessary feedback to get a broader platform, so we could roll that out over the entire company in Europe and then later on also in Australia.
At what point did you start noticing an impact?
Let's say after 1 month and a half, we started to see the number of video calls with customers registered in the CRM system increase. So it started around 150, 200 video calls, I would say a month. Now we are close to 800-900 registered. I think we see an increase of using the remote channel with more ease by using the techniques that were shown or that were taught, I would say, in ReSET. We could successfully launch 2 products even in COVID times.
What other results have impressed you?
I would not say it's infectious, but you could see that people also from other departments start to ask questions on how do you do this, how you set your lighting, how do you prepare for a long meeting. People from Norgine are also helping doctors how to set up their camera, how to set up their office, maybe also to engage with their patients.
And how have the different countries reacted to the training?
We see that the southern companies were very enthusiastic, very even emotional, because they could see this is reproducing their physical way of contacting their customers. The whole ReSET, the program, is set up, is very passionate, emotional engagement, which is close to their heart. And therefore the pickup in Spain, Italy is very high.
So having rolled out Cheemia ReSET, how do you feel now about the effectiveness of your sales force?
I think we are in a better place than we were 1 year ago, as we have learned that new skill, so that the whole remote opportunity will be embedded in our, I would say, normal platform.
What advice would you give to another global leader about Cheemia ReSET and Cheemia Re-Inspire?
Cheemia is different. It is a journey. They stay along with you. So I would say to have a look at it. If you had a training 2-3 days at the beginning, after 4 or 5 months, you don't remember anymore what has been said during that training. You don't capture all the tips and tricks. And here you can go back and see them time after time again.
And Koen, how happy are you with the results you've had?
We are very happy. where we were maybe nervous 1 year ago, now we start to have confidence. We feel we are in control. We see activity increasing, we see sales increasing, and we see also, the engagement level with our customers increasing. We had a fantastic start of 21 so far that we are even looking forward to organize even congresses also online and using the same things we learned in the program. So we are quite happy with it.
So nice to meet you and so nice to speak to you.
So Zara, it was a pleasure to meet you as well.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.